The combination of the high-efficiency solar panel and a massive 9,000 milliampere-hour battery ensures the camera stays powered for extended periods, potentially lasting over 60 days on a single charge. This camera captures impressively clear and detailed 2K video, utilizing an advanced 3-megapixel CMOS sensor that performs exceptionally well even in challenging weather conditions. When darkness falls, the integrated spotlight activates upon motion detection, enabling vivid, full-color night vision to clearly identify any activity. Its passive infrared sensor is always ready to detect motion, which can trigger a bright flashing light and a loud, audible siren to actively deter intruders. Through the companion Vicohome application, you can view the live feed and communicate with visitors using the clear two-way audio from virtually any location. Installation is remarkably straightforward thanks to its completely wire-free design, allowing for flexible placement anywhere around your property with a Wi-Fi signal.